Are you ready to take your kitchen to the next level? Today, we're revealing the top 20 kitchen gadgets on Amazon you didn't know you needed. From futuristic tools that make cooking effortless to clever gadgets that save time and energy, these picks will completely upgrade your kitchen game. Stick around because some of these inventions are so unique you won't believe they exist. Number 1. Samshow Rechargeable Digital Kitchen Timer. The Samshow Rechargeable Digital Kitchen Timer is a must-have for anyone who loves precise cooking. With a large, easy-to-read display and simple one-touch controls, you can set exact cooking or baking times effortlessly. Its rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting use without the hassle of constantly replacing batteries. Compact and stylish, it fits neatly on any countertop or can be magnetically attached to your fridge. Perfect for bakers, chefs, or busy home cooks who value accuracy in the kitchen. Number 2. Etekcity Digital Kitchen Food Scale 22 pounds. The Etekcity Digital Kitchen Food Scale makes measuring ingredients simple and accurate, supporting up to 22 pounds. Its sleek stainless steel platform is durable and easy to clean, while the precise sensors provide consistent results every time. Featuring multiple units of measurement and a convenient tare function, it's perfect for portion control, baking, or meal prep. Lightweight and portable, this scale is ideal for any kitchen, helping you save time, avoid mistakes, and cook like a pro. Number 3. Hotec Heat Resistant Silicone Spatula Set. The Hotec Heat Resistant Silicone Spatula Set is a versatile kitchen essential. Made from durable, non-stick silicone, these spatulas withstand high temperatures without warping, melting, or scratching cookware. The ergonomic handles ensure comfortable use for stirring, scraping, or folding ingredients, while the vibrant colors make them easy to spot in your kitchen. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean, they're perfect for baking, cooking, and even serving. Whether you're a professional chef or home cook, this spatula set makes meal prep smoother and more efficient. Number 4. Zulay Kitchen Silicone Spoon Rest. The Zulay Kitchen Silicone Spoon Rest keeps your counters clean and organized during cooking. Made from flexible, heat-resistant silicone, it safely holds hot utensils while preventing messes. Its non-slip base ensures stability, and the easy-to-clean material makes it perfect for daily use. Lightweight and compact, it fits perfectly next to your stove or on your countertop. Ideal for busy home cooks and professional chefs alike, this spoon rest is both functional and stylish, making it an essential tool for keeping your kitchen tidy. Number 5. Anysharp Hands-Free Knife Sharpener. The Anysharp Hands-Free Knife Sharpener delivers a quick, safe, and precise edge for all your kitchen knives. Its hands-free design secures the sharpener to your countertop, allowing effortless sharpening without risking injury. The tungsten carbide sharpening mechanism restores dull knives to razor-sharp perfection in seconds. Compact and easy to store, it's perfect for any kitchen, from casual home cooks to culinary enthusiasts. Save time, avoid uneven edges, and enjoy effortless chopping and slicing with this essential knife sharpening tool. Number 6. Vantic Stainless Steel Sheets Garlic Press. The Vantic Stainless Steel Garlic Press Rocker makes mincing garlic effortless and mess-free. Its ergonomic design allows you to press, crush, or mince garlic cloves quickly with minimal effort. Made from premium stainless steel, it resists rust, bends, and corrosion for long-lasting use. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, it saves time and keeps your hands odor-free. Perfect for cooking enthusiasts who want efficiency without sacrificing flavor, this garlic press rocker is an essential tool to add convenience and precision to your kitchen prep. Number 7. Foodville Rechargeable Milk Frother. The Foodville Rechargeable Milk Frother is perfect for creating cafe-quality lattes, cappuccinos, and hot chocolate at home. Its powerful motor quickly whips milk into a creamy, frothy texture, while the rechargeable battery ensures cordless convenience. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily into any kitchen drawer or travel bag. Simple to operate and easy to clean, this frother is ideal for coffee lovers who want professional results without leaving home. Upgrade your morning routine with frothy, smooth drinks in seconds. Number 8. Muellerliving Immersion Hand Blender 500 Watts. The Muellerliving Immersion Hand Blender 500 Watts is a versatile and powerful tool for soups, smoothies, sauces, and more. With its high-performance motor, it blends ingredients quickly and efficiently, while the ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use. The detachable stainless steel shaft makes cleaning a breeze, and its compact size allows easy storage. Perfect for busy kitchens, this hand blender saves time and reduces mess, helping you achieve smooth, professional quality results in every dish. A must-have for any culinary culinary enthusiast. Number 9. Deiss Pro Lemon Zester Cheese Grater. The Deiss Pro Lemon Zester and Cheese Grater is a multifunctional tool that makes zesting, grating, and garnishing simple. Its sharp stainless steel teeth effortlessly handle citrus, cheese, chocolate, and more. The ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, while the compact size ensures easy storage. Lightweight and durable, it's perfect for home cooks who value precision and efficiency. Add zest and flavor to your dishes without hassle. This zester and grater is ideal for creating professional quality meals with minimal effort. Number 10. Zulay Kitchen Silicone Utensil Spoon Rest. The Zulay Kitchen Silicone Utensil Spoon Rest keeps your countertop clean while holding hot cooking utensils. Made from heat-resistant, non-slip silicone, it accommodates spoons, spatulas, and ladles safely. Its flexible design and easy-to-clean surface make it a practical addition to any kitchen, while the vibrant color adds a touch of style. Ideal for busy cooks and professional chefs, it prevents messy counters, protects surfaces from heat, and keeps your tools within easy reach. A simple yet highly functional kitchen accessory for everyday cooking. Number 11. Etekcity 10 kg Digital Kitchen Scale. The Etekcity 10 kg Digital Kitchen Scale is perfect for precise measurement of ingredients, supporting up to 22 pounds. Its large, easy-to-read LCD screen and multiple units of measurement make cooking, baking, and portion control effortless. The tare function allows you to measure multiple ingredients in one bowl, saving time and reducing cleanup. Sleek, compact, and durable, this scale is ideal for any kitchen. Whether you're a professional chef or home cook, it ensures accuracy and convenience every time you prepare a meal. Number 12. Royalsellpro Cordless Electric Knife Slicer. The Royalsellpro Cordless Electric Knife Slicer makes slicing meats, bread, and vegetables effortless. With its powerful rechargeable motor and sharp stainless steel blade, it delivers smooth, uniform cuts every time. Lightweight and cordless, it offers maximum flexibility and safety during use. Perfect for busy kitchens, meal prep, or entertaining guests, it saves time while reducing hand fatigue. Easy to clean and store, this electric knife slicer is an essential tool for anyone seeking precision, speed, and convenience in the kitchen. Number 13. Monkey Business Lid Sid Pot Lid Lifter. The Monkey Business Lid Sid Pot Lid Lifter keeps your stovetop safe and mess-free by holding hot lids securely above your pan. Made from heat-resistant materials, it prevents spills and protects surfaces from burns. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to store, while the stable base ensures the lid stays in place. Ideal for busy cooks, this clever gadget improves kitchen organization and convenience, allowing you to focus on cooking without the worry of messy or dangerous lid mishaps. Number 14. Ezoff Under Cabinet Jar Opener. The Ezoff Under Cabinet Jar Opener makes opening stubborn jars simple and effortless. Installed beneath cabinets, it securely grips jar lids, allowing you to twist them open with minimal effort. Perfect for seniors, people with arthritis, or anyone with limited hand strength, it saves time and reduces frustration. Its sturdy design accommodates a wide range of jar sizes, while installation is quick and hassle-free. A practical addition to any kitchen, this gadget ensures you can access your favorite foods without struggling with tight lids. Number 15. Cook Helper One-Handed Kitchen Gadget. The Cook Helper One-Handed Kitchen Gadget is designed to make meal prep easier and safer. With a simple one-hand operation, it helps chop, slice, and hold ingredients securely while reducing the risk of cuts. Its compact, durable design fits comfortably in your hand, making cooking faster and more efficient. Perfect for busy home cooks, seniors, or anyone who values convenience, this versatile gadget transforms everyday kitchen tasks into effortless and enjoyable experiences. Save time, stay safe, and cook smarter with Cook Helper. Number 16. Babonir Electric Wine Bottle Opener Set. The Babonir Electric Wine Bottle Opener set makes opening wine bottles effortless and stylish. With a powerful rechargeable motor, it easily removes corks in seconds, while the included foil cutter ensures a clean, professional finish. Lightweight and cordless, it's perfect for parties, dinners, or casual wine nights at home. Its sleek design adds elegance to any kitchen or bar, and the set includes everything needed for a hassle-free wine opening experience. Enjoy your favorite wines with convenience and sophistication. Number 17. Sliner Adult Sippy Cup with Straw. The Sliner Adult Sippy Cup with Straw combines convenience and functionality for hydration on the go. Designed for adults, it features a spill-proof lid, durable construction, and an easy-to-use straw. Perfect for home, office, or travel, it helps prevent spills while keeping drinks accessible and fresh. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, while the large capacity reduces frequent refills. Ideal for seniors, commuters, or anyone looking for a practical, stylish way to stay hydrated throughout the day. Number 18. Veemagni 10 times magnifying glass with light. The Veemagni 10 times magnifying glass with light provides clear, bright, and detailed magnification for reading, crafting, or inspecting small objects. The built-in LED light ensures even illumination, reducing eye strain and improving visibility. Its ergonomic handle and durable design make it comfortable to use for extended periods. Perfect for hobbyists, seniors, or professionals, this magnifying glass enhances precision and detail work. Compact, portable, and reliable, it's an essential tool for anyone who needs enhanced clarity for daily tasks or projects. Number 19. Softduo Cushioned Anti-Fatigue Kitchen Mat. The Softduo Cushioned Anti-Fatigue Kitchen Mat makes standing for long periods comfortable and strain-free. Its thick, supportive foam reduces pressure on feet, legs, and back, making cooking, cleaning, or prepping meals easier. The non-slip bottom ensures safety on various floor types, while the easy-to-clean surface handles spills and messes. Stylish and durable, it fits perfectly in front of sinks, stoves, or counters. Ideal for busy home cooks, bakers, or anyone who spends time on their feet, this mat transforms your kitchen experience into comfort and support. Number 20. Mocaro 5-in-1 Electric Cheese Grater. The Mocaro 5-in-1 Electric Cheese Grater simplifies grating, slicing, and shredding tasks in the kitchen. With 5 interchangeable drums, it handles cheese, vegetables, chocolate, and nuts effortlessly. The powerful motor ensures fast, consistent results, while its safety features protect your hands during use. Compact and easy to store, it saves time and reduces mess compared to manual graters. Ideal for busy cooks and culinary enthusiasts, this versatile electric grater makes meal prep faster, easier, and more enjoyable, delivering professional quality results with minimal effort. That's a wrap on the top 20 kitchen gadgets on Amazon you didn't know you needed. Which gadget blew your mind the most? Comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing kitchen discoveries.